Hey Lewis, my name's Josh Betzel. It was really nice talking to you on the phone earlier today, and this is that video I was telling you about that I was going to send over that shows you 3 things you can do today to help bring in more customers to your business. So I bet you're sitting there wondering, why are you filming this video for me, Josh? Well, oftentimes in the world of the internet, most local business owners are too busy running their business to learn how the internet can benefit them and their company. And sometimes the only hesitation they have to hiring someone is they don't know who's an expert and who isn't. So I found by giving people an easy free attack plan of actual things they could do to impact their business for free has resulted in some of those local business owners still raising their hands saying, hey, I like what you're doing, Josh. Can you please keep doing this for me? So by the end of this video, if you've liked what you heard and you can see that I have a lot of tricks up my sleeve that can help your business, shoot me a message back and we could chat. Or if at the end of this video, you simply want to take this free attack plan I gave you to do yourself, that totally works for me too. So now let me show you the 3 things that will set your company above your competition and not waste any more of your time. And the first thing I want to talk about is content. When I'm talking about content, I'm not talking about just the amount of keywords on your page, but what keywords you're using. And when I take a glimpse at your website here, you don't really have any content. Your website looks good, but you need content. You really want to be at around 1,500 to 2,000 words on your homepage for Google to optimize it. And this is the reason why. Google sends out robots that crawl, and they crawl and look for these keywords in the content. But the more content you have, the more they crawl. So this is a keywords everywhere tool I use. It's a phenomenal SEO tool. It's very, very cheap, $10 for 100,000 credits, which will gladly last you a couple of months. But it shows you what keywords you're ranking for. You're not ranking for any. So just for comparison, I'm going to go to your competition, which is Mike Neckel Flooring. All right, they're your competition because when you type in flooring companies, Jacksonville, Florida, they are number 1 ranked organically. Okay, so therefore your competition. When I plug them into the word counter, they only have 154 words, but this is where they differ, all right? On their back page and homepage, this is the keywords they're ranking for. Jacksonville Flooring, ranked number 3. Flooring companies, Jacksonville, Florida, ranked number 5. 210 searches a month, 110 searches a month, 140, 90, 140, 110 for these keywords that are completely tailored to Jacksonville Flooring, okay? So all this volume right here, these are people looking for services in Jacksonville for flooring that Mike's automatically getting that you could be missing out on, all right? The second thing I want to talk to you about was just how this main page was laid out for a second. Of course, you have the search bar, and then it brings up the ads. Ads are good, okay, but research shows they're only semi-effective. It can become a huge money pit if they're not utilized correctly, all right? The second thing was the Google My Business, Google Map Pack, and how you get ranked in here is through citations. And citations was the second thing I want to talk to you about. So when I go up to this WhiteSpark tool, WHITSPARK.ca, it's a local citation finder, you have 8 citation sources. If you really want to beat your competition out by a landslide, you need about 200 to 300 of these. And another thing I just noticed on your map pack, I found you on page 2, which isn't bad. But we don't want you just on the first page, but we want you in the top 3 so you get those eyes on you when people use that search bar. You really also need to optimize your description, okay? Your description, I believe Google allows 750 characters limit, and you really need to optimize those keywords that we're talking about into that description to help get ranked, okay? Also, never hurts to have more Google reviews. Google reviews are great. I see you're at 4.8 stars, which is phenomenal. That means you're all about customer satisfaction, and I'm the exact same way, all right? So that's how you get ranked in the Google Map Pack. The last thing I want to talk to you about was backlinks and link juice, okay? This link juice works like this. For example, LinkedIn is pointing to your website. Therefore, LinkedIn is acting as link juice, which gives your website more authority in Google's eyes, almost like a popularity contest. So I go over to this tool called Ahrefs I use. It runs about $170 a month, but it's the most phenomenal SEO tool out there. Hands down, I use it every single day. Totally worth it. You see that you have 15 referring domains and 53 backlinks with a DR of 0. You can also see organic keywords just like the Keywords Everywhere tool in this Ahrefs tool as well, which I really like. But there's more to it than that. The link juice you obtain works a lot more effectively when you have relative sites linking back at you. For example, if you have a, let's use LinkedIn again. If you have LinkedIn linking back at you, that would be more effective than Pizza Hut linking at you because, well, let's be honest. You don't sling pizzas for a living, you sling floor installations for a living, all right? So I'm going to go over here to your competition, and they have 37 referring domains and 190 backlinks. This is Mike's website, by the way. So although they have more than you, they're also not the strongest when we actually go in here and really decipher what is a blog comment, what is influence link, what is a guest post, what is a citation. It doesn't have the most power, but they have more. All right, so that's where they're beating you there. So just to wrap everything up, I want to go back over the 3 things. And the first thing was content. You really want more content, 1,500 to 2,000 words on your homepage, so Google robots crawl and look for those keywords. The second thing was citations. You really want to have 200 to 300 of these bad boys to beat your competition out by a landslide. And the third thing was link juice. You need more relevant sites pointing at you guys to show Google you are the authority. So I bet you're wondering, what now? Well, you can either go with this information I provide you today and do this on your own, and I'm totally cool with that. However, if you want the most effective route and want to save yourself the time, you can call me at 904-383-8479. Again, my name is Josh, and my number is 904-383-8479. I look forward to hearing from you, and have a great day.